Hello everyone. Welcome back to Think Big Daily Shorts by IITian Kids Academy. Here you go. Think fast, your time start now. What is water made up of? Option: oxygen and carbon. Option B: hydrogen and oxygen. Option C: nitrogen and oxygen. Option D: hydrogen and carbon. Correct answer is hydrogen and oxygen. Did you know? Magic formula. Water's chemical formula is hydrogen oxide. It means 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Everywhere on Earth, about 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water, oceans, rivers, lakes, and ice. Amazing shapeshifter. Water can exist in 3 forms: solid, ice, liquid, water, and gas, steam. Thank you for watching. Remember, great minds are built by daily curiosity. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing with IITian Kids Academy. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun learning every day.